Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here today for your enjoyment is the first run of a Bing 13383. It's the biggest engine in this series, and it's been quite an adventure to get it all running. It was missing many parts, all here in the valve gear and things, and so on. Very strange valve mechanism on it. It's called a uniflow engine. It is supposed to have a dynamo, which I'll have to source. Anybody know where there's a dynamo to fit this? We'll be glad. There's just a little bit of a fire in there. One of the burners is out, but anyhow, we'll attend to all that in due course. It has been, as I say, quite an adventure. I've never tried to slow it down yet. It's not running on very much pressure. The manometer may not be accurate, but it's somewhere close enough. And let us see, here's the throttle. I'm pretty happy with that, considering I had to make this gear here as well. They're a little bit noisy, but I think they might all be a little bit noisy. And I'm still to get the water pump working. It's all there and all intact, but I've got to solder up that joint there and so on. So what do we got here as far as the... Oh, we're getting up to a bar there now because I've throttled it back. Let's rev it up again. Alright, so we'll do a bit of a carousel thing here on the Lazy Susan. Let's have a look all around it. Looks like I've got a gauge glass seal leaking there, or it might even be that lower screw that holds the glass on. Needs a bit of thread tape or stag sealant on it. There you go. Had to put that drain pipe on. It was missing, and when I get the water pump working, I'll try and commission the water tank and the supply to the water pump there. However, all in good time. I think that's a badge for a pretty early model thing. So here we are, all happy as can be. Okay, time for a beer, I think, people. Oh, one little last thing before we go, just to keep Clinton in the picture. There you go, Clinton. Alright, and 4 minutes of that will be enough to bore anybody. Thanks for watching, people.